going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. The New World Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget this is Shemitah year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And Bitcoin and cryptos are dumping right now. But do not allow these dips to scare you. It's going to be blood in the streets, guys. We know what the Fed has to do. Now we have Mike Novogratz predicts the next bull run is in October. And does the Crypto Teacher agree? No, I do not. But guys, we know we're definitely going to be moving up short term because we have midterms. Do not forget that. Midterms are right around the corner. The Fed is pricing in these rate hikes, rolling off the balance sheet. That's the reason why we're taking these big dips. But like I stated, we're definitely going to get some relief, but the crypto bull market will not happen in 2022. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. Now, guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates. We have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. And Moneygram and USDC transfer service launches in several countries globally at the end of this month. And remember, guys, that is on the Stellar Network. And then also, guys, we have the Fed. The repo is over $2 trillion. That is correct. Raising rates, running off the balance sheet. And guys, this is happening globally. And also, we have the EU saying it's close to agreement on crypto regulation. But guys, remember, crypto regulation is going to be global. And then also, guys, we have Grayscale moved down $1 billion, down to $24.3 billion. And guys, we have Jerome Powell in the House next week. And we know they like the markets to look good while Jerome Powell is speaking to keep the eye off the Fed. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, we have Palau to kick off BNB Chain supported ID NFTs for digital residency program. And guys, what did I tell you NFTs were from the beginning? You know I did several videos on this. That's the reason why these platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, are perfect for this digital transformation. because these NFTs and platforms are already going to have your KYC there. You're not going to have to do anything. Majority of these platforms already have a lot of your KYC information. Now we have blockchain.com partners up with Unstoppable Domains to provide users with blockchain names. And we have blockchain helping to advance the global energy grid. And we know the NWO creates the problem, wait for the reaction, and run in with the solution. And we know this administration and the Fed created this energy crisis, but they already have the solution. But in order for the people to accept it, they have to take them through pain. And of course, when you're brought to your knees, you're going to accept whatever the solution the NWO has. Now we have Fractal set to launch blockchain gaming wallet for non-crypto native users. Also, we have American Express adds first crypto product with a broad rewards card. And we know all these major card companies, Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, are going to be embedded in crypto. But remember, guys, they have to move the sheep in phases. They want everything to be seamless, so it's just one click. They don't want the sheep thinking. Now we have Hobie Global launches $1 billion investment arm focused on DeFi and Web3. And of course, we had Jack Dorsey talking about Web5. And we know that's nothing but the Hegelian dialectic. Now we have Farfetch to begin accepting crypto payments, right along with a lot of the luxury brands like Gucci. Guys, we know everybody's going to be accepting crypto. But like I stated, they have to move it in phases. And then lastly, we have Mattel inks multi-year deal with Cryptoids NFT marketplace. And remember, Mattel, Marvel, Disney, they're going to take over the NFT marketplace. Because remember what they want you to think. You can be whoever you want to be. Guys, remember, your life is an illusion and TV is your reality. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, and not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York. From COVID Stories 3. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.